Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. My name is Christopher and joining me today is Israel. We are here to present our research with the title of A Systematic Literature Review on Current and Emerging User Interface and User Experience Design Trends.
Uh, User interface and user experience design is paramount in determining the success of digital product and services. UI and UX design are constantly changing as new trends come and go. Interface design must stay ahead of these trends to enhance the user's experience and provide a modern and enjoyable interface. Uh, Next, new technologies spawn new interface design can create new ways to view and interact with interface, force designers to reshape their interface. Example, phones introducing portrait interface and touch controls. Interface must be made so that they can be viewed and interact on every imaginable device. And then the trends of interface design keeps evolving. Scurism, flat design, I don't know. Responsive design, adaptive UI, personalized content. What's next? Users tend to stick with trends considered up to date, accelerating this shift.
Our study adapts the systematic literature review method, which identifies, evaluates, and compiles available research relevant to a specific research topic or question. Our research aimed to answer three research questions, which are 1. What are the current design trends and practices in UI and UX? 2. How are emerging technologies reshaping the currently established trends and practices? 3. What future technologies are likely to have the most impact on UI and UX design? We conducted a search across various online resources to collect an initial set of relevant studies. We used six keywords to search for studies, which are listed on the table on the left. We select studies based on several inclusion and exclusion criteria that we have decided. We review studies that are in English and that highlights the current landscape and potential future of UI and UX design. We decided on a time range of studies published in 2020 and onwards. Based on the six keyword codes and the inclusion and exclusion criteria that we have defined, we retrieved 16 studies that are related to our research. We then evaluated them based on a quality evaluation assessment to select studies that can best answer our research questions. The selection process can be seen on the figure on the right. Select studies are used to answer each of the research questions. Research question 1. What are the current design trends and practices in UI and UX? We selected seven studies that discusses prevalent UI and UX trends and found six design trends which are adaptive and responsive design, natural user interface, dark mode, 3D and neumorphism, user-centered design, and dark patterns. Adaptive and responsive design refers to design that can adapt to various interaction methods, ranging from the device used to view the design to how the user interacts with the interface. Interfaces are made to be able to respond and adapt to these differences to best suit the needs and limitations of the user and its device. Natural user interfaces are interfaces that uses natural control schemes that enable the user to interact with the interface naturally and intuitively. Examples of natural user interfaces include Siri and Alexa. Dark mode is a light on dark color scheme that improves comfortability for users. Dark mode also takes advantage of technological advancements in OLED panels that can display dark colors more efficiently. Moreover, dark mode adds a form of customization to interfaces, giving the user a psychological sense of control and satisfaction. Neumorphism is a new visual style that blends visual techniques from skeuomorphism and flat design, creating a soft and sleek 3D appearance with minimalistic abstract figures and realistic lights and textures. Neumorphism gave a more amusing and appealing look and feel of an interface to the user. User-centered design corresponds to an iterative design method that places the user at the center of the UI and UX development process. By focusing on the user's needs and requirements, the UI designer can better fulfill user requests and has been proven to increase comfort, efficiency, usability, and convenience. Dark patterns are design patterns that are purposefully made to be deceptive, misleading, and manipulative to push the user into making certain decisions that they might not have made otherwise. Dark patterns are commonly seen in online services, and they represent the dark side of UI and UX trends. Research question 2. How are emerging technologies reshaping the currently established trends and practices? Currently, the rise of artificial intelligence is reshaping the trends in UI and UX in many ways. The integration of AI in UI and UX design allows for more nuanced user experiences that enable the interface to intelligently interact with the user. Adaptive user interfaces employ low-risk AIs that most users won't notice, that also streamlines repetitive tasks that free up time for the user. The current rise of AI has the potential to further expand these capabilities beyond small tasks. AI is also disrupting the interface design process by providing tools that can support the work of interface designers, such as providing potential alternatives and exploration to enable design inspiration and to assist in creating customized components adhering to established design style guidelines, streamlining the design process for designers. Research question 3. What future technologies are likely to have the most impact on UI and UX design? Augmented reality is most likely to have an impact on UI and UX design. AR adds a new complexity layer in how we interact with a virtual interface, mixing in the real world with the virtual world. AI interfaces must be cleverly designed in a way that minimizes hindrance to the user and robust to environmental challenges in display and interaction. That is the end of our presentation. We thank you for giving us your time, and we apologize for any mistakes that we may have made. Thank you.